5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big rate damage. Big rate damage in 3. Check if you're fixated.
Holding damage now.
Big rate damage in 3.
Has like Abyss spawned.
Yeah, I was insane.
Make sure we're kicking the ad. He's far away.
Stern, you're bringing that guy out.
Does to the wall. Kick on the ad. Nice. Right, pop your defensives in 3, 2, 1. Now. Big damage.
If I'm talking to you, then I'm standing on business, is it?
Big boom now. Another set of rate damage in 3. Raid damage in 3, 2, 1.
Gotta split these up a little bit.
Trimling.
Range, keep your eye out for where this big ad spawns. And everyone check over your head.
He's really far from our star.
We can move range to the right to beat. Oh, I don't.
Bungling in melee.
We need to keep our stack though, guys.
No, we need to go
Guys,
back up.
I can get next kick.
I jumped the gun on you, but
You're good.
Kicks it.
Still kicks, still kicks.
Grab you as far as someone from range. Grab him.
Get nature up. Someone res nature. Please run to go get him.
Defensives now. Sorry. A little late.
We're gonna have one far. So be ready.
Offensives. I'll rally.
Look over your head. Make sure we get kicks.
Probably needs to be out.
Poison there.
Fungling's going into melee.
Yep.
Run out.
Nice case.
Suffers.
I got.
Watch your feet.
Second pause.
This is a trouble set.
I can darkness this bit of the next set.
Healer's big damage in 3, 2.
Kick is in the very back.
1.
I get next kick.
Your health bar. Don't die.
Can't help but to stack Streamling.
Still kicks.
I got next kick.
Heals on Damar if we can. Okay, nice.
Still kicks. Keep going, range.
Let's get a stack up and do Darkest and AMZ for this if we have it. Nice.
There's gonna be one far as usual.
Health stuns, health pots, stay alive.
When do we want to commit to boss?
I think we need to do this set.
Heal up.
Still
Okay, so
bring
you
them funglings out.
Yep. Just play
We'll
normal.
probably just die to rot if we don't commit. We just need to get kicks on the other ad.
Big kicks.
Big damage here.
Fungling's out. Fungling's out. There's a Fungling in melee.
There's a funny
Still
running straight
kicks.
to mid raid.
Still kicks.
One melee. One melee. I think
Fixate
it's
on
rat.
me.
No, it's not.
Kick,
It's
kick,
on the
kick, kick. Kick, kick.
Focus up here.
There should be that.
We're gonna have one more big damage. One more big damage after these ads.
Need huge focus on the far kick here.
Big damage in 3, 2,
Kick.
1.
Kick.
Kick. I'll call a gaze. Yeah, we've got it.